EET Chapter 16, Example Problem 2. It says find the total impedance of the parallel configuration shown here. 1 over the total impedance equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over X of L, plus 1 over X of C plus 1 over R2, because these are all in parallel. So with the resistors, there's a phase angle of 0. You just do 1 over the 1.2K and then 1 over 1.6K. With the inductor, it's 1 over 3.2K given with a phase angle of 90. That's the inductance. And then 1 over 4.6K with an angle of negative 90 because it's capacitance. It's the capacitive reactance. So you calculate the magnitude. 1 over 1.2K equals 833 times 10 to the negative 6 with an angle of 0. And then this 1 over 3.6K is 277.78 times 10 to the negative 6, angle of 0. Now the 1 over 3.2K is 312.5 times 10 to the negative 6 with an angle of negative 90 because we're taking that and putting it in the numerator. And then the 1 over 4.6K with an angle of negative 90 becomes a plus 90 because we're putting it in the numerator. Then combining like terms, what you do is you add this 277.78 times 10 to the negative 6 plus this 833.33 times 10 to the negative 6, and you get 1.111 times 10 to the negative third. Take this minus j, because this is negative 90 here, 312.5 times 10 to the negative 6, and then this 90 becomes a plus j, 217.39 times 10 to the negative 6. That's the easy way to do it. The other way that it could have been done was to use the conversion formulas to go from rectangular to polar by using these two formulas here that you guys have seen several times now. And then the next thing that you need to do is take this negative 312 and add it to the 217. You get a 95.11 times 10 to the negative 6. Then converting it back to polar form, you get this by using these formulas again. You want to go from rectangular to polar by using, you're given the x and the y, and you figure out the z and the theta. So you get this answer here. Now, that's the 1 over zt. You have to take 1 over this number to get zt. So they wrote that down here, and then this negative angle becomes a positive angle, 4.89, and then the 1 over 1.115 times 10 to the negative third becomes 896.86. Then they convert it back to rectangular form by using the formula again here. Polar to rectangular, you figure out you have z and theta, and you figure out what x and y are.